Hi, I'm Sean Smith, and I'm the founder and director of CHEC.
And I am Minister Tyrell Scott, and I am the youth pastor of CHEC.
And you're probably wondering, what is CHEC? So CHEC is a Christian homeschool education center, and it's designed for you and us. Us being fathers and mothers out there. I have a daughter, 13, and a son that's 8 years old.
Well, I have three daughters, one 6-year-old, one 3-year-old, and one 1-year-old.
Very protective, I would assume.
Yes, very, very.
So as our journey brings us down the road in education, we have concerns of what the public education system is doing and presenting to our children. So as parents, we look for options. And one of the options that I think a lot of us as parents overlook is homeschool. So a few of us got together and started a system designed around bringing Christ and the core value of Christ into our little ones so that we can bring it back into the home.
We see that there's a missing element today in today's education system, even in households, and we need to get back to that, and we need to understand that children today need to know their identity in God, and we want to be able to implement godly principles so that way they can take it back into their homes, and that way the households could bring more unity under the things of God.
There's 3 points that we focus on at CHEC, and one is that we are intelligently designed. 2, that you're special. And the third one is you have a purpose. So if we can instill these values in a homeschool setting while the parent is either at work, some parents can't do both, work and homeschool, so we've got an option in a facility, 8,000 square feet, 9 teachers, a board of directors, and a youth pastor that can help direct our children when we're away from them. I think that's the key and the most important thing for me as a parent, knowing that my children are protected the way I would protect them at home.
Absolutely. These kids will find out the value that's hidden within them, and as they grow older, they'll be able to implement those same things into their household, into their siblings. So that is the foundation that we're building it on.
There's so many pieces to this resource center that will enable parents of all kind to bring children of young ages, preschool, middle school, high school, and prepare them for college. And you can mix. You can actually come in for preschool, elementary, and decide you want to do middle school somewhere else, maybe a private school. Or maybe you've come from the private school and decide you want to do homeschool, high school, and dual enroll in college.
And also in doing that, glorifying God throughout it all.
That's the key. The number one reason why this was put in place was so that God can work through us to our children and instill those 3 values. That you're intelligently designed, that you are special, and that you have a purpose.